Good morning, student. Welcome all of you in our science class. Dear students, our next chapter is Plant Around Us, and this chapter you have also read in class 3rd. I will show you. This is your 3rd class book, and in 3rd class your second chapter is also Plant Around Us, and in 4th class your 4th chapter is also Plant Around Us. Now recapitulate one time. In Plant Around Us in 3rd class, what you have learned? Part of plant, then tree, shrub, herb, then climber, creeper. These things you have learned in your 3rd class related with Plant Around Us. Now recapitulate these and make a picture in your mind. And in 4th class, what we have to learn? In 4th class, we will learn. We see plants growing at different places such as plain, desert, hill and even in water. Now here is a one picture and there is a different place in which the plants are growing. You can see desert. In desert, cactus is growing. In water, lotus and water lilies are growing. These are plain. These are hilly area. See, different plants in different area. Now here is a one activity for you people. You have to find the appropriate word and you have to fill here. Pine tree are found in hills. Cactus is found in desert. Neems and banyan tree are found in plains. Lotus and water lily are found in water. Plants growing at different places are different in appearance and structure. I will show you pine tree, deodar tree and spruce tree. These trees are growing in hilly area. Some of you may be visiting in Shimla like areas, hilly areas, hill station, Manali. Where there you have to see there cone shaped tree are there, cone shape. Why they are cone shape? These we will learn in the next topic of this chapter. I will make you learn why they are cone shape, what is the advantage of that cone shape. Okay, now let us find out how plants found at different place differ from one another. Today we will do only terrestrial plant. Okay, terrestrial plant, the plant which are growing on land are called terrestrial plant. What I am saying, the plants which are growing on land means the plants which are around or near your surroundings are terrestrial plant because they are growing on land. The plants which are in your surrounding are called terrestrial plants because they are growing on land. There are many different types of terrestrial plants. Plants of hill means the plants which are growing on hilly area. Okay, plants of plain means the plants which are growing on plain area. Plain area means the area in which we are living. You can make a look in your surrounding. There are different types of plants. Mango, okay, then shisham, gava. There are so many plants near your locality. They are plants of plain. See, people, banyan, mango, shisham, they are plants of plain. Next is our plants of hot and wet region. Dear students, hot and wet region means the area where there is lot of temperature and the area where there is always moisture, wet regions. In that area, teak tree, rubber plant, coconut tree are growing. You have seen beach in the films, in the TV. Okay, so they are Goa. Yeah, have you listened about Goa? Discuss the things with your parents. Ki why ma'am is saying Goa, the coconut tree. Coconut trees, rubber tree, teak tree, they are growing in hot and wet region. They are also called evergreen because they always remain green throughout the years. Plants of marshy area. Plants of marshy area means mangroves growing in marshy area. These plants, marshy area means where there is always water and mud. Okay, their main underground roots do not get sufficient oxygen from the soil. Portion of their roots come out of the soil when the water level and take oxygen from air. These roots are called breathing roots. They are also called aerial roots. Marshy area means what happened in marshy area, there is a water and the plants are growing in the this water and muddy area. So what they are doing in this, the roots of these plants are not getting sufficient oxygen due to this marshy place. So what happened, the roots of these plants are coming out and get oxygen. So the roots which are coming out from the soil are called aerial roots. Okay, now do you know marsh is a very wet muddy area on a land. Okay, plants of deserts, that I have already discussed. The plants growing on in a deserts, it can survive in soil. How they are survive in soil? Because in desert area there is not sufficient water. So there is an advantage of these desert plants also. They have green stem. Okay, and the roots, their green stem and well developed roots store lot of water and make them soft and fleshy. That's why the cactus survive in land. Dear student, today you will read this chapter with the help of your parents. Only the plants that growing on land mean terrestrial plants, and this, and again I will make you revise for this. Okay, and very soon, as I have already told you, learn daily one question. Very soon I am going to conduct your test also. Okay, so learn at least one questions. I will make you call randomly also, and I will also ask your question. So don't waste your time. You just read the chapter and start learning one question of each chapter daily. One by one you have to learn all the questions of lesson 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't think ma'am is not taking test, then there is no need to learn the question. Learn question part A, B, C, D, E, all. Only one question you have to learn daily. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.